Hey guys, welcome to Touchdown Episode 3. The situation here is that you're flying a Cessna 152, just some traffic patterns around the airport, and all of a sudden extreme IFR weather pushes in and you should not be flying, so you must find your way back to the airport as quickly as possible. This takes place at Half Moon Bay, just outside San Francisco. Hope you guys enjoy. Links, as always, are in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a pretty fun challenge to fly, and I'd recommend you try it yourself. As always, if you have any suggestions for what you want the next aircraft to be in and what landing you want to see, let me know. I love using your suggestions. Thanks guys.